Yeah, man, of the national dish, this man. All wanna know Jamaica national dish. We wanna hockey this. Our great Jamaica national dish. So it look when it open. So it look. One national dish. Father and son, subscribe and like. Don't know, so we have some video come up. Yeah, man, we have some video come up, man. More hockey, more national dish. Welcome to Jamaica. Yeah, man, come enjoy the dish. USA, Canada. Yeah, man, Philippines, India, UK. Yeah, man. Keep support the channel. Jamaica national dish. Yeah, man, all who seen our national dish for the first time. Yeah, man, comment. That's how it look when it open. Yeah. If you pick it, in this stage it are very poisonous. It have to be opened first. It is closed now, and this one is young. You see how it's white, and then you can see this one. Oh, they are red. Yeah. So it cannot be eaten. Man, welcome to our national dish, man. It's a great Jamaican ackee. Yeah. And it cannot eat before it's open. So I'm gonna show you what it look like when it opens. So this is our national dish in Jamaica, ackee and saltfish. So this is the ackee. This is how it look bearing on the tree. As you guys can see, you have another set right here. Yeah, man, these one getting very fit, so they are red. As you can look, a lot of ackee on the tree. Yeah, but it's supposed to look like this one. This one cannot be eaten. It cannot be eaten until it's open up like this. Yes, so this is how it look. And these one in the body here, as you can see. Yeah, man, this is the ackee. So this is the one. Yeah, this is the one we're gonna eat. Yeah. So it's poisonous when it's not open. So as you can see, cut down the whole of these area. Yeah. You know, say one can see up on the wall and all these things. So father and son have to cut down them ackee tree. Yeah? So you know me I wait on them things here for dry. Then father and son can burn them. Yeah, man. So as you can see, yeah. They are all our vibes, you know. Yeah, man, so the whole ackee tree is what like, yeah, whole ackee tree. You can look, you can see some more ackee tree across there too. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so if you come into the channel and you're from USA, Canada, India, tell me if you guys know about ackee. And this is our Jamaica national dish. So, and I tell you again, this is what it looks like when it's open, and that's the time you pick it. Can't pick like this. It's very poisonous when it's like this, but it's ready to eat when it's like this. And that's the food inside those halo pods. Yeah, so subscribe, like the video, tell another friend, and another friend, tell another friend. Yeah, man. One Jamaica, one Natural Vibes TV, we saying. Yeah, man. One what? One TV.